Hello, everyone. The video shows how to integrate YiLuProxy in WebHarvy for web scraping.
Firstly, configure YiLuProxy settings as shown video. YiLuProxy dynamic IPs are suitable for web scraping.
You can change an IP for a request. Then select a location. Click Refresh. Right-click an IP and click Copy IP and Port. Then run WebHarvy.
Click Settings. Click Proxy Settings. Select Enable Network Connection by Proxy Server. Select Proxy Type. SOCKS by HTTP. YiLuProxy Dynamic IP supports SOCKS5 and HTTP.
Then select Requires Authentication.
Paste IP, port, password, and username from copied YiLuProxy Dynamic IP information.
Then click plus icon.
Then the proxy IP will appear in Proxy List.
Click Apply. Then enter an URL that you want to scrape data, such as YiLuProxy blog, yiluproxy.org/blog. Click Start. Select the desired attribute, blog title. Set the capture text, name title. Select the desired attribute, blog date. Set the capture text, name date. Then click Stop.
Click Start Line.
Click Start.
The scraped data is shown. Then click Export. Here I select Export as File.
Select the file directory and enter a name. Then click Export. Now the export completes. Open the file. The scraped data is in the file. Okay, the video is over. Thank you for watching and subscribing.